Waking up drenched in sweat is a common issue for hot sleepers, but the right cooling pillow can help. These pillows are designed with advanced materials to regulate heat and keep you comfortable throughout the night. Many offer innovative technologies that prevent overheating and ensure a cooler sleep. While they can't completely eliminate external factors like room temperature, combining them with cooling sheets or mattresses can greatly improve comfort. This guide of cooling pillows showcases unique options designed to enhance your sleep, offering benefits such as customizable support, cool-to-the-touch materials, and more. Check out our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 9. Casper Snow Foam Pillow. Casper Snow Foam Pillow uses advanced cooling technology to draw heat away from your body, helping to maintain a cool sleeping environment. With perforated foam for increased airflow, it's designed to keep you comfortable no matter how warm it gets at night. The cover is also cool to the touch, adding another layer of comfort. This pillow works well for all sleeping positions, whether you prefer sleeping on your back, stomach, or side. The pillow's foam fill retains its shape well, offering great support for your head and neck. It's a versatile option for those seeking both cooling relief and proper support, though the cover needs to be laid flat to dry after washing. Number 8. SlumberCloud Adjustable UltraCool Pillow. The SlumberCloud Adjustable UltraCool Pillow is designed to offer personalized comfort with its 2 adjustable inserts. The pillow includes a down alternative insert and a memory foam insert, giving you the flexibility to choose your ideal firmness and height. Its Outlast-infused cover absorbs and releases heat to regulate your body temperature, helping you stay cool throughout the night. This cooling pillow is a great option for sleepers who want to avoid overheating and appreciate a customizable sleep experience. It's suitable for back, side, and stomach sleepers with a setup that can be tailored to meet individual needs. Number 7. Purple Harmony Pillow. The Purple Harmony Pillow stands out with its innovative design, featuring a combination of a polymer grid and a latex core. The grid ensures maximum airflow, while the latex fill offers responsive support that maintains its shape. This unique construction provides excellent neck and shoulder support, making it perfect for those who need extra care for their neck. It's also breathable, keeping you cool through the night, even in warm conditions. Many users find that the pillow's ability to relieve neck pain makes it a favorite, along with its durable design. The polymer grid helps keep air circulating, making this pillow one of the best choices for hot sleepers looking for something unique and effective. Number 6. Sleep Number True Temp Pillow. The Sleep Number True Temp Pillow is engineered with 37.5 technology, which helps to regulate your body temperature by storing and releasing heat. This pillow provides excellent neck support, thanks to its contoured shape and removable inserts that let you adjust the height to suit your preferences. The cover is soft and plush, made from a combination of polyethylene and polyester for added comfort. This pillow is ideal for those looking for both cooling and support, as it can be customized to different sleeping positions. The cooling technology keeps you at a stable temperature, making this a great option for hot sleepers who value personalized support and comfort throughout the night. Number 5. The Purple Pillow. The Purple Pillow brings a completely different approach to cooling with its signature polymer grid, offering a breathable and supportive experience. Unlike traditional foam pillows, this design ensures that heat doesn't accumulate, making it a great choice for those who tend to sleep hot. It's especially well-suited for back sleepers, providing the perfect balance of firmness and softness. The pillow molds to your head and neck, providing optimal support and alignment. While it may feel different from other pillows at first, its cooling benefits and unique design make it worth trying. The pillow cover is easy to clean and doesn't shrink after washing, adding convenience to its list of benefits. Number 4. Pillow Cube Ice Cube Cooling Pillow. The Pillow Cube Ice Cube Cooling Pillow is specifically designed for side sleepers, offering excellent neck support with its unique rectangular shape. The 90-degree edges provide unparalleled support for your head, neck, and shoulders, keeping everything aligned during sleep. The foam is responsive and adapts to your movements without losing its shape. The cool-to-the-touch cover enhances comfort by keeping you cooler throughout the night. Side sleepers particularly appreciate how this pillow fits their body perfectly, preventing the need for constant adjustments. The memory foam core maintains its structure, making it a great long-term investment for those who want both cooling and support in one pillow. Number 3. Tempur-Pedic Breeze Pro Plus Advanced Cooling Pillow. The Tempur-Pedic Breeze Pro Plus Advanced Cooling Pillow is designed to provide cooling and support for side sleepers. Available in 2 different heights, this pillow helps maintain neck and spine alignment while sleeping. Its cooling gel layer prevents heat retention, ensuring a more comfortable night's sleep. The memory foam construction molds to the shape of your head, offering personalized support while helping to reduce pressure on your neck. Although it takes a bit of time to return to its original shape after use, the cooling properties and excellent support make this pillow a popular choice. The pillow cover is also machine washable, adding to its convenience. Number 2. SlumberCloud UltraCool Pillow. The SlumberCloud UltraCool Pillow offers a budget-friendly solution for those looking for cooling relief. Priced lower than many other cooling pillows, it combines affordability with effective temperature regulation. The Outlast-infused cover works to store and release heat, keeping you at a more stable body temperature. It's available in 2 firmness levels, making it suitable for all sleeping positions. The polyester fill holds its shape well, providing good support for your head and neck. Its cool-to-the-touch surface enhances comfort, especially for those who tend to overheat at night. While some lighter pillowcases may show the pillow's blue color, this small issue doesn't take away from its overall value. Number 1. Coop Home Goods The Eden Cool Plus Adjustable Pillow. The Coop Home Goods Eden Cool Plus Adjustable Pillow offers a cooling gel-infused foam that helps to regulate temperature throughout the night. Its adjustable fill allows you to customize the pillow's height and firmness to suit your comfort needs. The shredded memory foam provides soft yet supportive cushioning, making it ideal for all sleeping positions. Both the cover and fill are machine washable, offering easy care and maintenance. The foam is CertiPUR-US certified, ensuring it's free from harmful chemicals, making it a safe choice for those concerned about pillow materials. The recent upgrade with an additional gel cooling layer makes it even more effective at keeping you cool and comfortable all night long. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.